The purpose of this video is to calculate the average rate of change of f of x between these 2 points. So essentially what you're doing is you're drawing a line based on these 2 points from this graph, and you'll find the slope between them. So the formula, we take our function and we plug in our second point, and we're going to have a value for that, minus, we take our function, we plug in the first point, and we have a value for that. Then we're going to divide this by our second point minus our first point. So the first thing we're going to do is to find what is f of x sub 2. So for us, x sub 2 is going to represent 1. So we take 1 and we're plugging this into our function. So this will be 1 plus 1 to the 4th power. So 1 to the 4th power is just 1. So we have 1 plus 1, which is going to give us 2. So f of x sub 2 is going to be the value of 2. Then we're going to subtract from that f of x sub 1. So for us, x sub 1 is negative 3. So we're going to take our function and plug in the value negative 3. So we have negative 3 plus negative 3 to the 4th power. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 times negative 3 gives us negative 27. Negative 27 times 3 gives us a positive 81. So negative 3 plus 81 gives us 78. So f of x sub 2 is 78. In our denominator, we take our x sub 2 value, which is 1. We subtract from that our x sub 1 value, which is a negative 3. So in our numerator, we have a negative 76 divided by, in our denominator, we have a minus and a negative together, which makes a positive. So we have negative 76 divided by 4. So if we divide negative 76 by 4, we have a negative 19. That is our average rate of change.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.